Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and my kitchen. Today I have a unique, wonderful, and delicious dessert recipe for you. I'm going to start my recipe by mixing 3 bananas. I'm starting by chopping them into a bowl. I used 3 bananas in my recipe. As you can see, I've sliced the bananas into rings. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of Nescafé. And I'm adding 2 eggs. I'm going to mix this mixture thoroughly with a blender until it becomes a crepe batter. I'm mixing it. Look how beautifully we've made our mixture into a smooth batter. I'm immediately adding 3 tablespoons of sugar to it. I'm adding 1.5 cups of milk. After mixing it a bit, I'm adding my flour. In the first stage, I'm adding 1 cup of flour. And on top of that, I'm adding 1 packet of baking powder. And I'm mixing this well. We can add more flour later if needed. Second, I'm adding my cup of flour and mixing it well until there are no lumps. All right, everyone, as you can see, it's become a smooth crepe batter. Let's head over to the stove. We're starting to cook our crepes. We're placing a suitable pan on the stove and adding about a ladleful. Please adjust it according to the size of your ladle. Don't make it too thick. I'm adding about half a ladle more and spreading it with the back of my ladle. We're closing the lid. We're letting it cook over medium heat. I'm checking my crepe and flipping it. Let's close the lid again. Let's cook it with control. My crepe is cooked. I'm taking the cooked crepe and putting it on a plate. We'll cool these one by one. And right away, I'm taking my second crepe batter to the pan. About half a ladle, and not too thick. I'm slowly spreading it. We're cooking it again by covering the top. I'm checking my crepe. Look, it's getting those little bubbles, and it's ready. When it's ready, it means it's cooked. I'm flipping it now. As you can see, it's cooked beautifully. I'll cover it again and carefully cook the other side. And I'm cooking all my crepes this way. We're mixing 2 packets of whipped cream. We're putting it in our bowl. I've already added 1. I'm adding the second one. And I'm adding 2 cups of cold milk. And we're whipping it nicely with our mixer. I've prepared my whipped cream like this. I'm taking one of my completely cooled crepes to a serving plate. We're adding some of the whipped cream we prepared on top. About a tablespoon. 2 tablespoons should be enough. I'm spreading it nicely all over. After spreading the whipped cream, I'm immediately adding another crepe on top. And in the same way, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of whipped cream on top of it and spreading it everywhere. Spreading it. Let's take another crepe. After placing it on top, I'm continuing with the whipped cream in the same way. After placing my last crepe on top, I'm spreading the whipped cream nicely on it. And we'll cover the sides with whipped cream as well. All right, everyone, as you can see, I've covered all sides of the cake with whipped cream. Covered it. Now I'm going to put it in the refrigerator and let it rest for 2-3 hours. After taking the rested cake out of the refrigerator, I will decorate it. I'm decorating it with chocolate chips. You can decorate it however you like. I want to cut a slice and show you too. You can subscribe to my channel. I'm definitely waiting for your likes and comments. Yes, I want to show you this too. It really turned out delicious. Bon appetit to those who will try it. Goodbye, stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm definitely waiting for your likes and comments.